Till now, you guys might have seen a variety of keyboards, right? Like the normal membrane keyboards, mechanical keyboards, or even RGB gaming keyboards. But what I'll be showing you today is something completely next level, guys. And you don't get to see such kind of stuff every day. It's a special keyboard that has complete LCD keys on it. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be super interesting, guys, because as I've told you just now, we have a dope tech on our table. So this is a special keyboard, guys, that has complete LCD keys on it. That means each and every individual key is like a display of its own. Like you can completely program it, customize it, and you can make it do any sort of action, or maybe trigger it to start an event, or you can completely control it to even launch a program and a lot of stuff, guys. Like the possibilities are endless using it. So this is actually made by Elgato and is called as the Stream Deck. If you guys don't know, Elgato is a division of Corsair, so it comes under Corsair only, and the product is called as Stream Deck, guys. Basically, Stream Deck is like a compact keyboard that has like number of LCD keys on it and is available in different variants. The one we have right now is called as the XL edition. That means it has like a 8 by 4 array of keys and has a total of 32 keys in number, and you can completely program it and customize it using their software and do a lot of stuff. So today in this video we'll be talking about this, and let me tell you guys, once you see what it can do in action, you will be amazed by the possibilities and the applications that you can do using it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So here's my new Stream Deck from Elgato. Comes in this sort of box packaging. We've got the Elgato branding everywhere on the box, and the model we have right now is the Stream Deck XL edition. It's also available in the mini and regular sizes as well, as I've already mentioned at the beginning. The one we have offers the highest number of LCD keys with a total of 32 in number. There's a picture of the product on the front, and as mentioned before, each and every key on it is like fully programmable and also customizable. You can create macros, create nested folders within each key to access unlimited actions, or you can launch an app, or you can trigger an event, control a variety of things in your setup, all using this one single product. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. There you go. Let's open it and check out the product. So at the top, we've got a quick start guide. Make sure to read that for full info on the product. Keeping that aside, here's the actual thing we've all been waiting for, the Stream Deck XL from Elgato. And along with that, you do get a safety guide and a USB Type-C cable for connecting it to your PC. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product. So as mentioned just now, guys, the XL edition comes with an 8 by 4 grid layout having a total of 32 fully customizable LCD keys. And this is how the product looks like. Whoa, get a load of this. The keys on it are actually bigger than what I imagined. Anyways, it's a highly customizable piece of tech where each key on it is like a tiny LCD display of its own. So the Stream Deck comes with a detachable magnetic stand, has the Elgato logo on it, and on the bottom side there's a large non-slip rubber mat to place it on a surface. The stand easily detaches like this, so you can easily use it with or without the stand. The choice is up to you as per your comfort. And talking about the build quality is very good. The body is made of high quality polycarbonate, and on the bottom side you've got 4 rubber foot pads and some info about the product at the center. And in case if you're wondering where the connectivity port is, well, it's to the right side over here. This is where you'll need to connect the USB Type-C cable from your PC. So that's it, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just connect it to my PC, power it on, and show you how it looks like. Alright guys, so we've seen the unboxing and had our first look at the product, right? Now I'll tell you about the setup, the software features, and talk about the quality of the keys, the deck, and basically all the applications and functions you can do using it. See, first let me tell you about the setup. Setting it up is like super simple. There are no complications involved. You just need to connect the Stream Deck to your PC using the provided USB Type-C cable in the box, and once you do that, you just have to install the Stream Deck app from Elgato's website, and that's it. you're all good to go. Initially, when you connect it to your PC and boot it up, all the keys on it are blank, guys, like empty. Now that is because you will have to configure it and customize it as per your requirement. As I've told you at the beginning, guys, see, this Stream Deck was initially made for streamers and gamers in mind. It was designed for them so they could completely access all the functions, devices, features in their setup at their fingertips using this all-in-one solution hub kind of device. So that is what it was meant for. But that is not just limited to them, guys. You can use it in a lot of other stuff as well. Like, it can be quite useful for a normal PC user, and especially useful for professionals, like if you're a PC programmer, code developer, or maybe you're a content creator and use a lot of video productivity apps, or maybe a lot of other stuff as well. We'll be coming there in a moment. For example, right now I've configured all the keys on it depending on my requirement. I'll give you all a closer look at it, and then first tell you about the key quality, key caps, how the display looks on it, and then we'll talk about the software integration and all that stuff. So if you can have a closer look at the keys, guys, the quality of the keys is very good. As I've told you guys, each key is actually a display itself, and the display quality is pretty good. Like, all the colors are nice, they look rich and vibrant. There's good amount of detail. You can easily read whatever text is written on it, and you can configure them like static tiles, or even configure and make animated tiles as well. Pretty nice customization options the software offers. And if you ask about the key quality, see, the quality of the keys is pretty good. They offer a nice tactile feedback whenever you press them, but I have to tell, they do feel a bit mushy sometimes. And if you talk about the brightness and the viewing angles, I haven't told you that, right? The keys are quite bright, and not only that, you can even adjust the brightness of all the keys using the software. All right, now let me tell you about the applications. See, as I've told you at the beginning, the applications and possibilities are endless on this keyboard. For example, you can configure each key to do a lot of variety of Windows functions. You can completely control the Windows multimedia features, like you can increase or decrease the volume, mute function, or play pause media, everything from these keys. You can easily configure them from the Elgato Stream Deck software. And not only that, you can even assign some particular actions. For example, you want to launch particular app using this key, then you can do that as well. As you can see, I've configured some keys to launch Google Chrome. Like, for example, if you press that key, the Windows will automatically launch Google Chrome. And not just launching simple apps, guys, you can even go more complex. Like, you want to launch the app, then you want to go to particular website, that is also possible. Like, by simply pressing one button, I can directly launch Chrome, and then from there I can go to YouTube. Pretty nice, right? And not just that, you can even go more depth. Like, you can directly go to your social media accounts with just a simple click of a button, and even possible to post or tweet directly from there using one single key. The Stream Deck has great software integration. Like, it supports a variety of apps, like OBS integration is there, Elgato Capture, Stream Capture integration is there, Twitch, Twitter, YouTube, and all these softwares are well integrated, so you can easily configure a lot of things and do a lot of stuff. Like, you can directly start streaming, or maybe record, capture video, and maybe go directly to the audience live section, all by just a single click of a button. Also, there's an option to create nested folders within the keys. That means, initially, by looking at the keyboard, you might think, oh, it only has like 8 by 4 array with only 32 LCD keys, right? But no, that is not it. You can customize each key as a folder, such that when you click that folder, you'll have more 32 options in that. That means you have like 32 keys inside 32 keys. That is crazy, right? So, for example, I've created some folders over here where I've organized everything. Like, I've got some productivity and gaming folders, right? Like, whenever I press productivity folder, I've got all the important applications for video editing and stuff where I can easily access from over here. For example, if I want to launch Photoshop or Premiere Pro, I can just go to the productivity folder and hit that particular icon, and it will directly be launched on my Windows PC. Similarly, games section, guys, in the games category, I've organized all my favorite games that I can easily access by just a single click of a button. I don't need to search for them on my PC. Okay, now let me show you the software that you need to install on your PC to completely configure the Stream Deck XL. The name of the software is Stream Deck, and it's available on Elgato's website. And as soon as you open it, you can see that we've got the complete layout of all the keys on the left side and all the customizable actions and options available on the right side. So on the left side, as you can see, I've already completely customized all of my tiles. The best part is the level of customization this thing offers. Like, you can completely customize the logo of the icon, you can make it static, or you can animate the tile. Then you can change the name of the icon, or you can completely remove that. And you can redirect it to any URL website. It's completely customizable and everything is in your hand. And on the right side, you've got all the action calls and integrations from third party apps and devices as well. For example, you can completely control all the Elgato devices like Elgato's game capture, Elgato's lighting solution, microphone, and everything, guys. So basically, you can select any option available on the right side to control that particular device. For example, you have a capture card. Then instead of using that capture card's original software or maybe using buttons on the capture card, you can completely control all of its functions from this Stream Deck itself. You want to record something, or you want to screenshot something, or you want to change the background in your live stream, or directly access the live commentary section, then you can easily do that by configuring to any particular tiles on the Stream Deck. So those were some awesome software integrations that you could use, that could be like super useful for all the streamers, gamers who want to like start live streaming and control a bunch of things in your setup with all just one single solution. Pretty awesome, right? And not just that, guys, we also can configure it to be useful for a lot of other type of users. Like maybe if you're a say suppose you're a C developer or a C programmer, you may need to keep always typing numerous number of codes, right, which may be kind of repetitive in most of the programs. There what you can do is you can assign certain tasks. For example, you can write down some lines of codes in a text document, and you can store all those lines in one particular key, and whenever you press this key, the whole program gets copy pasted wherever you want. Like this can help you avoid unnecessary typing and save you a huge amount of time. One more example I can give is, suppose you're a content creator who uses Photoshop a lot to edit all your photos. See, a lot of people have their own favorite filters or maybe favorite modes or effects that they want to apply on a lot of their photos. And sometimes it might be quite difficult to get that result because you have to go through a lot of steps, you have to apply a lot of filters and effects and all that to get the end result. What you can do is, instead of every time going through all those steps to get the end result, you can record all these steps in like a macro function or macro program and save that in one particular key. And next time all you need to do is just open any particular photo and click that particular key on the Stream Deck, and that's it. The whole effect will be automatically applied on your photo. It saves a lot of time, guys, and gets your job and work done very easily. So this is one kind of example where you can use the Stream Deck. So guys, like there's a possibility of features, functions, apps, usages using the Stream Deck are like endless, guys. All you need to do is just think, recreate those steps and save them in one particular key, and you can get that done. It's a very useful gadget. And not just that, guys, the Stream Deck also supports a lot of widgets as well. Like it's capable of displaying your wireless peripherals battery. For example, it can show my Corsair mouse battery level over here. You can easily have a glance at that. It can show you your PC CPU utilization. You've got a tiny analog clock widget as well, and a lot of other stuff. Lots of things are available. You can easily access them from the Stream Deck app on your PC. So that is pretty much it, guys. This is something I wanted to share with you all because it can be quite useful for a lot of people and not many know about this product. So yeah, that was about Stream Deck. It's a very useful stuff, as I mentioned before, can be useful for a streamer, gamer, the content creator, video producer, and even a programmer. A lot of category of applications. The only thing I would mention is about the price. The price is slightly a bit on the expensive side. In the US, it costs only around like $240. That would be around like 17,000 rupees. But in India, the Stream Deck XL costs around like 25,000 rupees. But not to worry, guys, you do have the smaller variants as well. Like there is the regular variant and the mini edition. The regular variant costs around like 14,000 rupees, I believe, and the mini variant is much more affordable. So you can go and get any one of these depending on your requirement and the budget range. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video and got to learn a lot and got to check out this awesome product that I wanted to show you all. And make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.